Hi everyone, in this video we are going to understand operators in Python. So first we are going to start with arithmetic operators in Python. So arith pretty easy. So arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and more. So similarly, like what type of calculations we generally do using a calculator. So what we are going to do is I'm going to take two numbers, so to keep it interesting, right, and easy, that becomes more easy. So and we will perform all operators on them, so you can clearly see the difference. So let's try print. Let's use a string which becomes easy, right? So addition of a plus b. Similarly, let's copy this and let's do it for multiplication, addition, then we come subtraction, a minus. Similarly, this is multiplication. Next, what we do? Division. Next, floor division. Floor division uses double slash. Next, we can use modulus. A ampersand b. We can also use exponent. A star b, right? Now let's run the program, right? So if you can see, right, the first operation is addition. It gives us 10 plus 3, 13, and we are using the plus operator here, which is important to understand how Python is executing. Similarly, 10 minus 3 gives us 7 for subtraction. Multiplication gives us 30, 10 into 3. Division, now pay attention here, division 10 divided by 3 gives us 3.333. In Python, the slash, the forward slash operator always returns the float value, even though if the result is in a whole number. Next is floor division, right? So 10 divided floor divided by 3 gives us 3. So it removes the decimal part and gives us only the integer value here. The next is modulus operator. So 10 modulus 3 gives us 1. Why? Because 10 divided by 3 gives us remainder of 1. This operator generally is useful when we are using let's say even or odd number, right? We have to check those. Exponent is nothing but 10 to the power of 3, which means 10 into 10 into 10, which gives us 1000. So star star is used for powers. So we've used these two numbers. We were able to understand all arithmetic operators in Python. The operator, whatever operator you choose based on the requirement, changes how the numbers interact, right? So you can try all the combinations, see how Python reacts towards it, and I will catch you in the next video. Thank you.